Good morning, student. How are you? See that in this chapter, math, of class F, chapter 30, data handling. In this chapter, we will study about graph. What is the graph? A graph is the pictorial representation of some fact or statement. Suppose that if the heartbeat of a person is like that way, heartbeat of the person like that way. See, some situation are coming: A to B, B to C, B to C, C to D, D to E. You know that A to B normal position, B to C critical, C to D again coming normal, D to E like over. Means the pictorial representation of some fact statement is known as graph. In coordinate geometry chapter also I had explained about this, about the graph. Now in this chapter we have to study about frequency distribution table, histogram and pie chart. You are clear with that. Suppose that x1, x2, x3, x4 observation are given, variate are given, then sigma x means sum of observation x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xn. Then mean is equal to, you have studied, mean sigma x upon n. Sigma x means sum of observation, n means number of observation. This is symbol of average or mean. So this you have studied already. Now, what is the frequency distribution table? Suppose that if numbers are given A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, B, C. Suppose that observation given like that. Then you write observation. Your observation is given only A, B, C. Here timing marks. Here frequency. Number of observation present in particular, number of variable present in particular observation. That is called frequency. See that A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B. C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write timing marks. How many times say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. C 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one 6. Timing. So this table is called frequency distribution table. Okay. Suppose numbers are given, then you make the group. If numbers are given, then you have to make the group. Suppose that this is called frequency distribution table. Now see that if numbers are given, then what you have to do? Suppose that if numbers given 10, 11, 2, 6, 5, 8, 17, 20, 35, 23, 29, 18, 13, 12, 6, 7, okay, 7, 19, 21, 24 given. Only you have to make frequency distribution table. For that you have to make the group. Group means that is called class mark. Class interval. Class interval like 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. Minimum value and maximum value. You are free to make 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 20, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, like that. See, 0 to 9 have tiny marks. Again, tiny marks. Next, frequency. Frequency. Now see, 0 to 9. 0 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Frequency is 5. 10 to 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20 to 29, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now carry marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is frequency distribution table. Okay. Next one is histogram. In histogram, suppose that a class interval is given. Class interval is given. Suppose 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 given, and then frequency is given. Suppose this is given, frequency 10, 25, 35, 20, 15, 20. Let 1 centimeter is equal to 10 division along x-axis, and suppose this is number of students given, let 1 centimeter is equal to 5 students. 5 students along y-axis. See that x-axis, okay. Suppose little up y-axis, this one x-axis. See that class interval is going to start from 30. Means before this class interval, some more class interval is possible. Like 20 to 30, 10 to 20, 0 to 10. So you add here king. Now 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now 1 centimeter is equal to 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. X-axis 30. See first one. 30 to 40, 20 students. 30 to 40, 20 students. Now 40 to 50, 15 students. 15 is given. Remember that there will be no dash. 50 to 60, 35 is given. 35. 35. Again 25. 60 to 70, 25. 70 to 80, 10. Now check this figure. This figure is your histogram. This figure is your histogram. Okay. This you make on the graph copy, and this calculation, no need of calculation, directly you can do that one. Okay. Exercise question means 2 or 3 histogram you practice. Now last one, pie chart. See that in this class interval given, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. In this is called L1, this is called L2. L1 means lower class limit, L2 means upper class limit. L2 minus L1 is known as class size. And L1 plus L2 by 2 known as equal to X, known as class 1. Suppose that if they are asking, tell me upper and lower class limit of third class interval. This is third. 1, 2, 3. Third class interval. Lower class limit is 50. Upper class limit is 60. Class size L2 minus L1 means 60 minus 50, 10. Class mark means 60 plus 50, 110 divided by 2, 55 will be the class mark of that class interval. So this question may be asked, okay, like class interval given, write the upper class limit, lower class limit, class size, class mark of particular class interval. Whatever observation given, okay, that is called raw observation. When you are making the group, that is called group observation. Now see that, draw the pie chart. Okay, this is last exercise 30.3. Yeah, 30.4. Last 30.4 exercise, that question is based on pie chart. 30.4, the question is based 30.1 and 2 based on frequency distribution table. 30.3 based on histogram. 30.4 pie chart. Suppose that if colors are given here, colors given. Suppose that red, blue, green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, and blue color. By number of balloons given, are anything given, chocolate, coffee, balloon, okay, papers given 39618. 39618. You have to find number of balloons. Sigma F. Okay. Number of balloons omega sigma, that is coming 36. Here you calculate central angle. That this angle is number of balloons divided by sum of the balloons into 360 degree, because you know that at the center of any circle here the angle is 360 degree. Similarly 9 upon sum 336 into 360. Similarly, 6 upon 36, 60. Now 18 upon 36 into 360. All answer will come here 10, 10, 10, 10. That will be 30 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, 180 degree. Now draw any circle of any radius with a pencil. Circle of any radius. Join the center of circle to any point of circumference. O. Now construct 30 degree on this line. 30 degree. 60. Now 30 degree. This is green color. Green. On this side, you construct other angle 90 degree. 90. This is red. On this side, you construct next angle 60 degree. 60 degree. This is the arrow. Remaining 180 degree. This is blue color. This is your pie chart. I hope that you will only 4 questions are given. One example. So you practice about the frequency distribution table. Second one histogram. Third one pie chart. Now your portion is over. From tomorrow I will send the next video revision of the chapter. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.